So basically Gauss's law based on electric flux only. Okay, Gauss's law based on electric flux only. Here, according to Gauss law, the total flux linked with a closed surface is 1 by epsilon naught time the charge enclosed by the closed surface. Alright, so here according to Gauss law, the total flux linked with the closed surface, like suppose this is a closed surface. Okay, so in any closed surface, whatever will be the charge here, right, the total flux linked with the closed surface is 1 by epsilon naught time the charge enclosed in the closed surface. So now suppose here in this you have one charge Q. So according to Gauss law, the electric flux will be Q by epsilon naught. So this will be the electric flux, right? Now example, when a point charge Q, for example, when a point charge Q is placed inside a cube of edge A. Now suppose you have a cube. Suppose this is a cube, right? So a cube has how many surfaces? 6 surfaces, right? Here you can see 3, like the edge of the surface is A. Similarly, you have 3 more surfaces. So total a cube is having 6 surfaces. तो अगर उस क्यूब के अंदर चार्ज रखा गया Q, now suppose a charge Q placed inside this cube. Okay, so due to this charge, the electric field line is coming out from whole surface. ठीक है, हर surface से निकल करके आएगा. So if it has 6 surface, so from all the side, the electric field line is coming out, right? Electric flux is coming out. So then the flux through each phase, तो जो flux होगा हर phase के लिए Q by 6 epsilon naught हो जाएगा. See, this is the Q, charge is Q. Okay, now if it is coming out हर surface से निकलेगा, तो that is 1 by 6th. हर surface को 1 by 6th Q निकल के आएगा, तो that will be Q by 6 epsilon naught, right? Q by 6 epsilon naught. So this is the electric flux, right? So the flux through each face of cube is Q by 6 epsilon naught. Similarly, suppose you have any object having 3 surface. कोई भी एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट है, जैसे सपोज एक प्रिज्म की हम बात कर लेते हैं. यू हैव अ ट्राइंगल और यू हैव अ प्रिज्म. ठीक है, एक ट्राइंगल देखते हैं. तो उस प्रिज्म के 3 एजेस होंगे, लाइक बॉटम, दिस, लाइक जितने भी उसके एजेस आ रहे हैं, अगर एक ट्राइंगल है तो अगर एक चार्ज Q है तो फ्लक्स विल बी Q by 3 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. 2 सरफेस है तो Q by 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. ठीक है. The total electric flux through a closed surface is 0 if no charge is enclosed by the surface. Now this is again very important, right? Now suppose you have a closed surface, right? But in that closed surface you have no charge. So the total electric flux is automatically becomes 0. Anything which is divided, which is 0, and if any number divided by that will be 0. So ये पूरा का पूरा क्या हो जाएगा? फ्लक्स वहां पे 0. तो अगर कोई क्लोज्ड सरफेस है एंड इन दैट क्लोज्ड सरफेस इफ यू हैव नो चार्जेस विद इन देम, अगर उस जैसे सपोज करो ये एक रूम है, राइट? सो इन दिस रूम इफ आई एम द चार्ज, आई एम टेकिंग क्लासेस. If I am not in the class, I am not going to take the class, so no classes is there na. So similarly, in a closed surface, if there is a charge, then only you have a flux. Closed surface I am talking about. I am not talking about any open surface. Okay. So this will always what? 0.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.